Threads are small units of execution within a process that can run concurrently with other threads. They allow for multitasking within a single program, enabling different tasks to be performed simultaneously. Example of threads. Imagine you're cooking in the kitchen. You can have one person chopping vegetables while another person is cooking pasta. Both tasks are happening at the same time, just like threads in a program. Key points about threads. 1. Concurrency. Threads enable concurrent execution of tasks, improving program efficiency by utilizing available CPU resources effectively. 2. Resource sharing. Threads share memory space within a process, allowing for efficient communication and data sharing between tasks. 3. Lightweight. Threads are lightweight compared to processes, as they share resources and memory space. This makes them faster to create and switch between. 4. Communication. Effective communication between threads is crucial, and synchronization mechanisms are used to ensure data integrity and prevent race conditions. 5. Concurrency issues. Common issues like race conditions and deadlocks can arise in multi-threaded programs, requiring careful synchronization and handling to avoid. For more updates, don't forget to subscribe.